Hello YouTube. Well, I recently in December crashed my trusty Mavic Air 2 drone. This is the replacement. And I used DJI Refresh service, and I thought I'd make a video telling you how that went and what it was like, what's involved in the steps, things for you might want to consider if you're going to use it, and just kind of give a general review of the process. It was painless. It was excellent customer service. I was really pleased with how it went. So after I crashed the drone, the first thing I did was I found a box suitable to put it in. I would actually recommend using the shipping box that it came in. It's a good, secure, well-built box. I used a regular cardboard box because I wasn't sure. This was my first time using Refresh. I wasn't sure if I would get the original box back or not, so I just used a regular box since the drone was damaged. In my case, the crash wasn't too major. It hit a tree, chewed up two of the props, and broke off one of the motors. If I didn't have Refresh, I probably could have super glued things back together and kept it going. But since I had Refresh, I figured may as well use the Refresh. And what I did was I got onto the DJI website, logged in, and confirmed that I still did have Refresh. My Refresh was good for two more refreshes through July of 2021. So I followed their instructions, got my shipping label, mailed it off. Then they communicate through email. On the 21st of December, I received an email with my case number and a link for repair progress inquiry. And it's just an automated email message. I got a copy of it here. Then later on the 21st, I got another email from them that says your Mavic Air 2 has been evaluated by our repair team. It's got my case number, and it says to visit the link to see the status of your repair. You check out the link. It's going to show you what was actually damaged, what they found, and what they recommend for it. And then lastly, on the 21st, I got a quote from DJI, and it had my case number, and it says, remark, dear customer, we regret that the service is not covered by warranty based on the results of damage assessment. Please find the details listed below. Results: right rear arm and motor damage, propellers damage, no malfunctions with the gimbal. We will either repair it or replace it with a product that's new or equivalent to new in both performance and reliability after payment has been received. For more information, please visit, and it's got a link. So it gives you a price breakdown. It had a rear aircraft arm, main body, a motor, propellers, so front and rear propellers, and then a $65 repair service fee. It totaled up to $97, and that was the option to repair my existing drone. And I really went back and forth for a couple days in my head because I'm thinking, okay, you're charging $97 to repair my existing drone, or for $69, I can use one of my refreshes. And mind you, I have two refreshes to use between, this was now nearly January and July. And I'm thinking the odds of me crashing my drone twice between now and July are kind of remote. It wasn't really a financial decision. I'm talking $69 to use your first refresh or $97 to repair it. So you're not talking a lot of money. I mean, it's $30. It's not a big difference. But I just really went back and forth thinking, okay, would I like a new drone or would I like mine repaired? And I'm just thinking, what if something else got damaged in the wreck, or my drone had a fair amount of use on it? And it would probably be nicer to have a new drone. And the odds of me wrecking another one, or especially two between now and July, kind of slim. So I decided non-financially it'd be a better decision to use a refresh instead of a repair and get a new drone. So that's what I opted for. I wanted to confirm with DJI before I did that because I was a little concerned that the refresh was going to be somebody else's smashed up drone that they put together, and they assured me that it was new or equivalent to new. They didn't elaborate on the equivalent to new part, but from what I've read on Facebook and that, it seems that you do get a new drone or like a factory drone, that it's not somebody else's smashed up repaired drone. So I decided, yes, I'm going to go with the Refresh. So on the 22nd, I paid them through PayPal. I promptly got a receipt for the $69. On the 23rd, I got an email from DJI that is saying that my case has been progressed or has been processed, and then it had a link to check out the progress. The cool thing is you can always check on their link and you can see the status of your repair. It shows it step by step by step by step by step, all the way right along from the day they receive it till the day it gets to your house. It's a nice setup. And then on the 23rd, also, and mind you, this is 2 days before Christmas, so they were steady work at it. Said, dear customer, your Mavic Air 2 has been inspected and will be shipped within 2 business days. Let's see, the 28th. So mind you, that was the 23rd. So give them a break for Christmas because they said within 2 business days. So they might have missed it by one day or something. I'm not worried about it because it was right at Christmas time. Anyway, so the 28th, I did get an email with a UPS tracking number, and the drone shipped. It arrived on time according to UPS. I even got a survey from DJI asking how my service was, and honestly, I was really pleased with it. I thought the pricing was fair. I thought the repair pricing was fair. I mean, they could choose to charge an arm and a leg for repairs, and they didn't do that. I just thought that the entire process was very timely, concise. They replied quickly. They handled everything quickly. They shipped it quickly, and I gotta highly recommend DJI. I mean, their product speaks for itself, but also the quality of their customer service was excellent. And I got the new drone. It arrived, I believe, yesterday, and I took it out today and flew it. So I just recorded a little video of the new drone taking off and flying, just showing that it's as far as I can tell, a brand new drone. Flies perfectly, and I'm happy that I went and used the Refresh instead of doing a repair. So that's my experience with using DJI Refresh. I would recommend it to anybody that needs it. I would recommend that you always buy the Refresh package if you're getting a new drone or some other insurance for your drone. And if anybody else has a crash out there, I hope your experience goes as well as mine. Be happy to answer any questions. Always welcome comments and likes and subscribes. Anyway, thanks for watching. And here's a video of the new drone just taking a quick little maiden flight. Thanks for watching. Bye.